Ever pondered who would win in a prehistoric feast between a Tyrannosaurus rex and a lion? Well, let's embark on this fascinating journey through time to unravel this mystery. In the beginning, there was the Tyrannosaurus rex, a creature that roamed the earth approximately 68 million years ago during the late Cretaceous period. Weighing in at a staggering 9 tons, standing at 20 feet tall, and stretching up to 40 feet in length, the T-Rex was an undeniable force to be reckoned with. Fast forward to the present day, we have the lion, the king of the jungle, standing at a mere 4 feet tall and weighing in at approximately 420 pounds. Despite their size difference, lions are known for their strength and agility, making them formidable predators in their own right. Now, imagine a scenario where these two beasts meet. The T-Rex, with its powerful jaws capable of exerting a bite force of approximately 12,800 pounds, could easily crush the lion. However, the lion, with its agility and speed, might have a fighting chance. A lion's speed and agility could potentially allow it to dodge the T-Rex's attacks, giving it the opportunity to strike back. However, with the T-Rex's size and strength, it's unlikely that a lion would be able to inflict serious damage. Despite the lion's admirable qualities, the sheer size and strength of the T-Rex would likely make it the victor in this hypothetical prehistoric feast. To recap, the T-Rex, a colossal creature from the late Cretaceous period, would likely overpower a lion, the current king of the jungle, in a direct confrontation. Despite the lion's agility and speed, the T-Rex's size and bite force would likely be too much for the lion to handle. So while we can't rewind time to witness this epic encounter, we can appreciate the unique characteristics that make both the T-Rex and the lion such fascinating creatures. From the T-Rex's immense size and strength to the lion's agility and speed, both animals are remarkable in their own right and remind us of the incredible diversity and power of the animal kingdom.